Hi, can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm Margie, 47 years old, married. I have 3 children. College level and with computer secretarial.
Can you tell me about your work experiences?
My first working experience is taking care of 7 months baby and 4 cats. The second is taking care of children in cooking and Pokpolam, Hong Kong. And my third work experience is taking care of elderly in Wan Chai, Hong Kong.
Why you don't want to renew the contract with your current employer?
I want to work to the new environment.
What is your preferred holiday?
It depends my employer decides if she want to take holiday.
Are you willing to take care of pets?
Yes, sir.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is my family, and my weakness, I don't want someone shouted.
What will you do if the kid has tantrums?
I try to play it and give some toys.
What will you do if the kid is sick?
I will check the temperature and I call my employer.
What is your message to your new employer?
Hi sir, hi ma'am. If you want to hire me, I will try the best and I will treat one of my family.